Hello guys, it's Wednesday, 1:15 p.m. here in Chicago, and look at this. Look at this flower. Yeah, so beautiful. Ang ganda-ganda guys. Yan, ha? Yan, andyan. Yung doon, the other side, not yet. Yeah. Oh, yan, andyan. Quick ano ko lang yan. Nandyan ang matanda ko. Look at here. Look at that. Ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng tree ito. Kung ano ba ito. Yung parang sa Japan. I'm not really sure. But, ito, nandito ito sa yard namin. Close to 3,000 lobby. Okay. Pasilip lang sa inyo guys. Kasi nandito kami. Nakaupo lang. We're enjoying the sunshine. Enjoying the sunshine that God gave us. Oh, look at the bee. Bee. Look. The bee is enjoying. Look. Look, the big bee. Yeah. Uh-huh. There. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Woohoo. It's probably sweet. That's a big one, and there's a small one here. Yeah. There's a small one. Yeah, they're enjoying the spring. Yeah, ang ganda. Honey, yeah, exactly. Uh-huh. There's another big one there. There. Ganda guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ito dito sa yard namin. Sa front yard namin, malapit sa lobby, sa elevator. Yeah, there's more bees over there. Yeah. More bees over there. Yeah. There's more there, big ones. Yes. They're enjoying. Yeah. Ay, tamis siguro kain na honey. Yeah. Here. Look. Ang ganda, no? Yeah, ganda guys. Yeah. I wonder how long ito magstay dito. But that side, wala pa yan. Like 1 more, 3, 4, 5 more trees. But these, ready na sila. Yeah, 5 din itong naibulaklak na. Yeah, those ones, no, it's not blooming yet. The leaves just sprouted. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Puti pa. My favorite color. White. Ang ganda guys. Oh, wala nang bees malapit sa akin. Yeah, they're far away there, up there. Yeah. There's tiny ones right here, close to me. Yeah. Ang ganda. Yeah, ang ganda guys. Pabutin ko ng 5 minutes para may bayad. Makatanggap ng bayad from Boss M. Ganda ng flower. I wonder if same ito sa Japan na ano ba yun? Cherry blossoms? I'm not really sure. I haven't seen cherry blossoms yet. So, yeah. But this probably similar to cherry blossoms, right? Yeah. Looks like, but I'm not really sure if this is cherry blossom. Yeah. But it's full. Yeah, the branches are full. All flowers. Yeah, ang ganda talaga guys. Yeah. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang bango. I don't know kung may amoy ba. Ang bango ng bulaklak. Ang ganda guys. Ito, nandyan lang kami nakaupo. Diyan, nag-enjoy pa yung ano ko. Yeah. Nag-enjoy lang ang alaga ko. At kaya yan. Okay. Paabutin ko ng 5 minutes guys para may bayad ako. Okay? Okay, it's 5:09 na sa counter ko guys. Oh, look at the bee again. I wish there's a big bee right in front of me. I know. There's tiny bees. But I want the big bee right in front of me. Okay guys, salamat sa silip at sino pang sisilip. Enjoy watching. Ate Des here. Here's my arm. Okay. I love. Yeah. Okay, I love you. Mwah.